Feeling puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. Head out of the box, decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours.
Good afternoon, everyone. What I'm going to be doing today is a tablescape out here on my outdoor living area upstairs. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do a tablescape for two. So hang in there while I put together this tablescape for two. And I'm going to place it right here on my coffee table. I have one place setting over there and the other place setting on this side. What I'm going to use my little bee plates that I purchased from the DollarTree. So this is going to be a very budget friendly tablescape. So let's get started. Okay guys, so what I've added here is my table runner, and I also have my tray that I'm gonna place my centerpiece on. So my table runner was from the Dollar Tree. It is plastic. We are outdoors, so that's what I'm using for my table runner. Now, I'm gonna use this centerpiece that I put together. I'll let you go ahead and take a look at it. This is going to be my centerpiece. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this a bee tablescape. And I will be using all of the dinnerware will be from the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't think I'm gonna use a placemat. What I'm gonna use my black Georgia plates, and I'm gonna put one on this side, and then on the other side I'm gonna place the other one. So we're gonna have one on each side. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in and add my bee plate. And as I told you, the bee plates were from the Dollar Tree. Again, excuse the noise. I am so sorry. But as I said, my neighbor is mowing his yard. I did get a late start, so that is what happens when you get late. So let's see. I think what we're gonna put on here with my centerpiece is just a candle. And we are outdoors, so I'm gonna use that candle. And next, what I'm gonna add is my salad plates. And they say you are bee needs. And as I said before, these did come from the Dollar Tree. Next, I'm gonna add my glassware. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let you go ahead and take a look at the tablescape. And then what I'll do, I'll come back in and tell you a little bit about it. The sun is shining for some reason today. It hasn't shined in 3 or 4 days. I mean, we could not get sunshine. And now today, as I do my video, it decides it wanna come out and shine. As I said, this is a tablescape for two, and it is also a very budget-friendly tablescape. My dinnerware was from the Dollar Tree. My table runner is also from the Dollar Tree. And my glassware is from the Dollar Tree. This is Friends with Super Channel Premiere Party. You all make sure you stay around and check out all of the creators who are participating in the Friends with Super Channel Premiere Party. Now, this tablescape is here on my upstairs balcony deck off of my bedroom. So this is gonna just be a little private dinner for two. For my centerpiece, that tray, the black tray that my floor arrangement is on, was from Goodwill. The little green plant is also a Goodwill find, and the larger plant is one that I put together. I also have my candle on the outside. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this tablescape with Friends with Super Channel. And if you're not a part of our family, I would ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family, because we would love to have you. If you would, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think about my tablescape for two here on my balcony deck. And don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And again, I will say thank you to the design family, because as again, I could not do this without you.